What's up, guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Lawn Boy lawnmower. The problem is it's leaking quite a bit of oil and making a huge mess, and is at the risk of an engine failure. Let's take a closer look and see if we can fix it. This model from Lawn Boy is a very good mower, mainly because it's rear-wheel drive and it has a very unique blade design. If we take a closer look, we can see where the problem really is. It's a leaking O-ring at the bottom of the oil fill tube. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the 4 bolts on the top plastic engine cover. Move it off of the engine and retrieve the bolts so you don't lose them. Now remove the metal cover off the engine. If we take a closer look at the oil level, you can see it's about a ½ inch too low, and it's in the add position on the dipstick. Now you'll want to remove the 1 screw holding the fill tube to the engine shroud. And now you can see the other ½ inch of oil would actually be higher than where the O-ring is. And with it leaking, it's always going to lose this ½ inch all over the deck. Here's a closer look at where the O-ring was leaking at. Here's the new O-ring, and even though it's just a little bit narrower than the old one, it should still work just fine. I'm going to put it on the fill tube, put it back in place, and then replace the 1 screw holding it to the shroud. And now replace both engine covers and the 4 bolts. This seems to be a pretty common problem on this particular engine, but luckily it's also really easy to fix. Let's go ahead and top off the oil, and at the same time let's go ahead and clean the engine and the deck. That way we can see if the engine is still leaking oil. Now that it's all done, let's start it up and give it a try. It's been a few hours, and luckily it's not leaking any more oil. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.